Is the Wealthsimple card really free? You see the ads, you hear the buzz, everyone's talking about how Wealthsimple is changing the game, offering financial services with no fees, no hidden catches. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? In a world where banks nickel and dime you for everything from monthly maintenance to ATM withdrawals, the idea of a truly free financial product seems like a unicorn. But what if it's not a unicorn? What if there's genuinely a way to manage your money, spend, and even earn rewards without those annoying fees eating away at your hard-earned cash? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to break down the Wealthsimple card, specifically focusing on the Wealthsimple Cash Card and their new Visa Infinite Credit Card, and scrutinize every nook and cranny to see if free truly means free, or if there are asterisks lurking in the fine print. Let's start with the big picture, Wealthsimple's core philosophy. They've built their reputation on disrupting traditional finance, making investing accessible and transparent. This commitment to lower fees and greater accessibility extends to their banking products. They want to be your primary financial hub, and part of that strategy involves attracting you with compelling, low-cost or no-cost offerings. Now, when we talk about the Wealthsimple card, we're primarily referring to two distinct products: the Wealthsimple Cash Card, which is a prepaid MasterCard linked to your Wealthsimple Cash account, and their newer Wealthsimple Visa Infinite Credit Card. It's crucial to differentiate between these two because their fee structures, while both aiming for free, have some important distinctions. Let's tackle the Wealthsimple Cash Card first. This is often the card people refer to when they talk about Wealthsimple's free spending option. It's a prepaid MasterCard, meaning you load money onto it from your Wealthsimple Cash account before you spend it. This isn't a credit card, so there's no interest to worry about, and it won't directly impact your credit score. So, is the Wealthsimple Cash Card free? In many key aspects, yes, it genuinely is. Firstly, there are no monthly or annual fees for the Wealthsimple Cash account or the associated prepaid MasterCard. This is a significant win right off the bat. Many traditional bank accounts come with monthly fees that can add up to hundreds of dollars a year. Wealthsimple's approach here is refreshingly direct. You won't be charged just for having the account or the card. Secondly, and this is a huge one, the Wealthsimple Cash Card boasts no foreign transaction fees. This is a major differentiator. Most credit and debit cards charge anywhere from 2.5% to 3% on purchases made in a foreign currency. If you travel frequently or shop online from international retailers, these fees can quickly erode your savings. With the Wealthsimple Cash Card, you pay the conversion rate set by the payment network, MasterCard, but Wealthsimple itself doesn't add any extra markups. This means more of your money goes towards what you're buying, not towards bank fees. Thirdly, Wealthsimple doesn't charge you for using your prepaid MasterCard for everyday transactions. Whether you're swiping it at your local grocery store or making an online purchase, there are no transaction fees imposed by Wealthsimple. What about ATM withdrawals? This is often where free cards reveal their hidden costs. With the Wealthsimple Cash Card, Wealthsimple itself does not charge ATM withdrawal fees for withdrawals made within Canada. Even better, they have a policy of reimbursing ATM fees charged by the ATM provider up to $5 per withdrawal. This means if the ATM charges you a fee, Wealthsimple will cover it, making most in-Canada ATM withdrawals truly free for you. This is a fantastic perk that sets it apart from many other prepaid cards and even traditional bank accounts. For international ATM withdrawals, while Wealthsimple won't charge you, the local ATM operator might, and those fees won't be reimbursed. So keep that in mind when traveling abroad. So, for the Wealthsimple Cash Card, the free claim largely holds true for everyday use. You get a card with no monthly or annual fees, no foreign transaction fees from Wealthsimple, and reimbursed ATM fees in Canada. This makes it an incredibly attractive option for managing your everyday spending, especially if you're looking to cut down on banking costs. Now, let's pivot to the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite Credit Card. This is a much newer offering and operates differently from the prepaid cash card. As a credit card, it allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit and then pay it back. It also comes with rewards, specifically 2% cash back on all purchases, which is a very competitive rate in Canada. So, is the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite credit card really free? This is where the answer becomes a bit more nuanced, and the buts start to appear. The Wealthsimple Visa Infinite credit card can have a $0 annual fee, but it's not universally free. To waive the otherwise $10 monthly fee, which adds up to $120 annually, you need to meet one of two conditions. Maintain at least $100,000 in assets with Wealthsimple. This means having a significant amount of money invested in your Wealthsimple accounts, like your managed portfolios, self-directed investing, or crypto. If you're a high net worth individual who consolidates their investments with Wealthsimple, then yes, the card is essentially free for you. Direct deposit $4,000 or more each month into a Wealthsimple checking account. This is the more common path to fee waiver for most users. It essentially requires you to make Wealthsimple your primary bank for your income. If your net monthly salary, after tax, is at least $4,000 and you direct deposit it into your Wealthsimple checking account, the $10 monthly fee for the credit card is waived. If you don't meet either of these criteria, then the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite credit card will cost you $10 per month or $120 per year. While the 2% cash back can certainly offset this fee if you're a high spender, spending $2,000 per month would net you $480 in cash back, comfortably covering the $120 fee. It's important to be aware that the no annual fee isn't automatic for everyone. Similar to the cash card, the Wealthsimple Visa Infinite credit card also offers no foreign transaction fees. This is a fantastic benefit for a credit card, as it means you save that typical 2.5% to 3% markup when spending abroad. This is a true differentiator in the credit card market. What about interest rates? As with any credit card, if you carry a balance, you'll be charged interest. The annual interest rate for purchases is currently 20.99%, and for cash advances, it's 22.99%. If you miss payments for 2 consecutive months, these rates can increase to 25.99% for purchases and 27.99% for cash advances. So, while the card can be free in terms of annual fees, carrying a balance will incur significant costs, just like any other credit card. The key to keeping it free is to pay off your balance in full and on time every month. Another point to consider for the credit card is eligibility. To qualify, you need to be a Canadian resident, be the age of majority in your province or territory, have a minimum annual personal income of $60,000 or household income of $100,000, and have an active Wealthsimple checking account. This means it's not accessible to everyone, regardless of their fee waiver eligibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.